Strengthen your core and back with Gaiam's Balance Ball Chair. Created by leading health and fitness experts, this innovative chair promotes a healthier back, strengthens the core, and aligns the spine. The patented design promotes correct posture and improves circulation. The removable 52-centimeter balance ball can also be used as a traditional exercise ball. The chair comes in multiple ball and base colors. Suitable for heights from 5 feet to 5'11", Gaiam's Balance Ball Chair includes a pump and a workout guide. Sit tall and strong with Gaiam's Balance Ball Chair.
There's something about working out and the way it makes you feel. Almost everyone, when asked, would like to have more fitness in their lives, but for most of us, it falls to the bottom of our priority list. So we developed the Body Boss 2.0. We wanted a product that would empower people to reach their goals, where you'd be able to exercise more often and consistently. We want a product that is compact, something that could do it all with no restrictions. This equipment is something that anyone could use no matter their fitness level. A product that takes all these concepts from the gym and combines them into one solution, bringing the gym to you. The platform is strong. The posts are spaced evenly apart on both sides so you can simulate any exercise movement and quickly adjust difficulty. The base is made wide enough to stand comfortably during your workout, and we even added a layer of non-slip material to assure you stay in place. The bands were customized for this concept and can handle any height. There's even cloth in the bands to protect you. Simply clip in to get started. Shorten the bands or add bands to increase difficulty. Our most popular exercise is squatting with the bar. It's like a workout bar you would see at the gym, but more portable. It can unscrew and it features grip padding for comfort. The ends of the bar spin a full 360 degrees and are shaped to avoid the clips from sliding, providing you the most natural feel possible through all of your exercise motions. Adding or dropping bands easily provides many resistance levels. We added accessories to simulate even more solutions, such as handles that will add weight. Adding bands are like increasing your weight with a dumbbell. The wrist straps are double padded for comfort and sweat resistant to stay in place. We even added a door anchor that can increase the workout. The Body Boss is lightweight, made of high-grade injection molding and capable of handling hundreds of pounds of force. The underside has non-slip feet for safe use on any surface. The adjustable posts make for easy storage. Starting from day one, you can choose your color: green, pink. You can choose your package. And choose how you want to follow workouts: live, replay, program, all on your own. Normally it would cost you thousands of dollars to buy or recreate all of this equipment. But by purchasing today, you can get it for a fraction of that price. Empowering people just like you to reach their goals. Body Boss, bringing the gym to you.
Finally, a Bluetooth scale that does more than tell your body weight. Introducing the Renpho Bluetooth Digital Scale Model ES-CS20M. Through our integrated software, you can download the Renpho Fitness app through your app store to pair seamlessly via Bluetooth. Our bright 3.5-inch LED display shows your weight, while the Renpho Fitness app shows you much more. Once paired to your smart device, you'll be able to set goals, track your progress, view your BMI, water weight, body fat percentage, bone mass, and much more. You can also create unlimited profiles for you and your family. With our 1-year warranty and top-notch customer service, you can rest assured that you've made the right choice in purchasing Renpho.
Active 5 enables over 100 full-body, no-impact isometric workouts in seated, standing, and advanced positions. To understand isometrics, let's first look at a classic bicep curl with repetitions. An isometric version of this bicep exercise would have you hold the weight still, with your bicep firing as you hold the weight during a resistance period. But weights aren't required with isometrics. You can have your own muscles create resistance. Here, one arm applies opposing pressure to the other, acting as resistance weight. This is one of the reasons why short isometric workouts are so effective. Half of your body is working out against the other half, doubling your effort. But you can't effectively train, understand your total weight lifted, or measure results using just your hands. That's where Active 5 comes in. Active 5 measures your force in pounds and tracks your performance gains using proprietary technology developed over 5 years with millions of dollars. Active 5 measures your applied pressure and sends it to the Active 5 mobile app via Bluetooth. Active 5 calibrates each exercise to your unique strength level and dynamically personalizes over 100 workouts to your ability. This is why Active 5 is perfect for any age and any fitness level. The Active 5 mobile app will coach you through each exercise. By adopting the correct pose and applying varying amounts of pressure on Active 5, you'll follow each coaching curve like a game. In fact, you can download many Active 5 games and enjoy the benefits of exercise while having fun. Active 5 workouts aren't only fun, they're easy to learn, and about 5 minutes in length, so you can stay active throughout the day and keep your metabolism burning. At home, on the go, or at the office. With over 100 workouts for every muscle group, you can choose from sitting, standing, or advanced yoga or Pilates positions. The Active 5 app tracks your results and improvement over time. Oh, and one more thing. It comes with one replaceable AAA battery that lasts 6 to 12 months, so there's no need for daily charging. Active 5 is portable, convenient, and easy to use, so you can exercise anywhere.
Now you can increase your fitness performance when you're on the road as if you were in the gym. Look at that, there you go. Little inner thigh burn?
Yeah.
Active 5 workouts are personalized to your individual strength level, and the Active 5 companion app tracks your progress. When you're on the road and the hotel doesn't have a gym, Active 5 lets you get in a high-effective isometrics workout like this one here. Active 5 isometrics are different. It's portable and it offers a lot of flexibility with standing, seated, and advanced exercises. The workouts are planned for you. You just follow the coaching app. Ladies, we all want toned underarms so we can go sleeveless with confidence. Guys, you'd love to be stronger, right? Well, this workout will tone and define your arms while building strength. In addition to working major muscle groups, a big benefit of isometric exercise is being able to incorporate all the minor muscle groups that don't typically get activated during a gym workout. This is the power of isometric exercise and the power of Active 5.